first half of 2013, China is still able to secure the title of the biggest investors in Myanmar after surpassing Thailand in 2011. Myanmar Focus Daily this episode will take a look into details in the foreign direct investment in Myanmar for this year. Directorate of Investment and Company Administrations of Myanmar stated that up to the end of June 2013, the accumulated pledged amount of foreign direct investment is around $42.9 billion, up from around $30 billion the same period last year. Cumulative investment from China in Myanmar is around $14 billion, followed by Thailand as the second biggest investor with around $9.9 billion of cumulative investment. According to a report from PwC, China surpassed Thailand to become the largest foreign investor in Myanmar by 2011. Hong Kong is ranked the third place with a $6.3 billion. South Korea and the United Kingdom come in the fourth and the fifth with around $3 billion of investment, respectively. Japan, who seems to be the most eager in investing in Myanmar, is on the 11th place with about $270 million of investment. The managing director of KPMG Myanmar revealed Japanese investors are still reluctant in investing due to poor infrastructure.
Japanese are still, they're waiting for the infrastructure to be ready. Yeah, so after 2 years it might be changed, but during these years still, number of the investment from Japan is still small.
Out of 32 countries available in the data, companies from 7 in 9 ASEAN countries have already placed their investment in this emerging market. Looking at by sector, foreign direct investment goes to power sector the most with a approved amount of $19.2 billion of investment, followed by oil and gas sector with around $14.3 billion. Mining sector comes in the third place with a $2.8 billion of investment. Manufacturing sector is ranked the fourth place with a $2.7 billion approved amount, but the number of permitted enterprises for this sector is the highest, which is around 255 out of 577. Hotel and tourism sector is on the top 5 of FDI investment for this first half of this year, with $1.5 billion of approved amount. Other sectors that could see some investment pouring in include real estate, livestock and fisheries, transport and communication, industrial estate, agriculture, construction, and other services respectively. The managing director of KPMG Myanmar explained that sectors related to infrastructure development will be booming.
For these 1 or 2 years, development of infrastructure like a power plant and building, development of real estate, that might be the biggest, the investment will be happening.
One key reason that we could see the increase in the amount of foreign investment to Myanmar this year is the enactment of the new foreign investment law in November 2012, as it gives foreign investors more confidence. Yet, the new FDI law is only the beginning. Investors also have expressed concerns in related regulations that need to be put in place.
Detailed regulation like industrial license or the building approval or like environment regulation, those things are not clear yet. And tax law itself, they have the new tax law, but it was not fully, practically implemented enough. Some tax officers don't know the new law. So still, a lot of the regulations, detailed regulation might be prepared, the reviewed and revised in order to be practical.
KPMG Myanmar is urging Myanmar government to develop banking sector first in order to attract more business and investment to the country. Other two aspects that would also immediately need to be improved would be the tax and accounting systems. Honorary Tang Misang for Myanmar Focus Daily.